Measurement of heat loss is really useful because it gives us the confidence that we're getting the results we need. It makes our life a lot easier and just takes away a lot of the risk that's involved. My name's Wesley. Our company is Hampstead Heating and Renewables. We're a London-based company. We've been in business for over 20 years. Traditionally, we've focused on gas boiler installations and heating systems, built on high efficiency, but really we've taken the move now to become MCS accredited. We're now focusing on renewable installations and producing really the highest quality installations that you can produce within the housing stock that we have. The real benefits with measurement is it takes the educated guesswork out of it. You've got figures to fall back on. You've really got that sort of backup, and just it eliminates risk of things you may have missed. I think the main challenges we come across when we're calculating heat loss, working out, looking at a property, is the unknown of a fabric. You know, we can do our best with experience to judge what the fabric is, but essentially, especially on older properties, it's guesswork. We don't know what alterations and things have been changed or into the standard it was fitted originally. So a lot of the problem with the calculation is going to be the fabric is going to be vastly different to what the guidebooks say. We've used measurements on 2 projects at the moment that we're quite critical. The first one was very useful because our measurement was quite high, which took us slightly over what the unit's output could be in a domestic setting, which obviously has limitations. So actually having the measurement performed and carried out brought us down to actually a comfortable level where we knew the heat pump that we could fit would actually come to deliver what was needed at design outside temperatures. Otherwise, we'd have to basically overcomplicate the system more than actually was realistically needed. The other project we used was a very large house. It had been modified over the past 20 years in various ways, extended, so really the fabric was anyone's guess as to what it could be. And actually it came in so much lower than any of us expected, and we were able to just put in the plant that we needed to deliver it because the house itself was in a state, didn't need to be changed. We could work with the system we had, and we knew and we had the confidence that it was going to deliver. The changes to the MCS calculators would be really useful. I think having the right digital tools is really important, especially in the way the information gets moved across these days. So actually being able to have it built into the tool set is very important to make our life easier. Beforehand, we'd always have to do longhand calculations, enter in any measurement information manually, create U values. But now to have that built into the software is just a no-brainer to make our life a lot easier. I think the measurement of heating systems, in especially a low temperature environment, is quite critical because we don't have the sort of fallback that we had with gas boilers. Traditionally, gas boilers were always oversized. You had a lot of leeway in which way you could go with it. Whereas now, with a low temperature system, especially with heat pumps or renewables, you haven't got that aspect to fall back on. So if you undersize a unit or even oversize a unit, you can really end up in a sort of area where you're going to be causing cycling problems and efficiency, or you're going to be underpowered, which really is not what you want to do as a heating engineer. You want to deliver the right amount for the job.